From Las Vegas, Nevada, we had a glance of IMAX American Show at Mandalay Bay, and we also visited Bellagio Botanical Gardens. The highlight of my previous vlog was the immersive experience inside the newest attraction in Vegas, the Sphere. From this immersive LED experience, I will take you to the real giant trees in Sequoia National Forest and relax at the breathtaking place in Yosemite National Park and the scenic train rides through the Sierra National Forest. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe for more travel videos. I am here now at Enterprise Rent-A-Car to pick up our 7-seater minivan. To feel more comfortable and safer for our friends, I vacuum again our van in front of our garage. Another thing about mini vacation is the preparation. We are here now at Trader Joe's Chino Hills to grab some snacks and food for our 5-hour trip to Yosemite National Park. Let's start early to beat the rush hour traffic of Friday morning to downtown LA.
Okay, let's go. It's 5:14. We're ready to rock and roll.
From Los Angeles, we will take 5 north all the way to 99 and 41 freeway. Our first stop to grab fresh brewed coffee is McDonald's at Stevenson, California, nearby the Six Flags Magic Mountain.
Yan yung ating mga kasama sa Europe.
We have croissants with ham and cheese and vegetables, prepared by my wife Anna. Perfect breakfast with hot fresh brewed coffee.
Three and a half hours more going to Mangrove.
Another exit break here at McFarland, California, a city in the San Joaquin Valley in Kern County,
Ito po yung
California.
second stop. Ito po yung ating isa sa ating mga kasama sa ating Yosemite tour for today.
Along the way in 99 Freeway, let's visit Bravo Farm and Vintage Cheese in Traver, California.
Okay, this is our third stop dito sa Bravo Farms. Ayan. Let's check out the Vintage Cheese. So next to Disneyland is the second happiest place on earth.
Vintage Cheese is a California small business specializing in handcrafted cheeses. Strive to uphold a standard of quality and taste. The company believes that the very best flavor is achieved with their skilled handiwork in old-world farmstead-style practices. They use California milk and a good old-fashioned waiting. Their unique artisan cheese offerings include cow, sheep, and goat milks with a wide variety of textures and flavors, sure to please any crowd. On display, they have Dutch-style Gouda, Cabernet Cheddar, white cheddar curds, and white cheddar, and many more. Stopping at Bravo Farms and Vintage Cheese is worth of your time, where you can try their good foods, local craft beers, and the largest selection of beef jerky, cheeses, and dried fruits in the valley. After turning right to 41 Freeway North from Freeway 99, you can enjoy the scenic farmland and amazing hills all the way to Oakhurst, California.
Ito ang aming hotel.
Our original plan is to go straight to Mariposa Grove, But since it's noon now, I'll take a chance to check in so we don't have to bring our luggage in the van. And I made it. I got the keys and we can check the room now.
43, eh? Okay. Ta-da!
This is the Best Western Plus Yosemite Gateway Inn, Oakhurst, California. I booked for 6 persons and this is what we got. 4 king beds and a spacious room with 1 bath. And perfect for 3 couples.
Okay, this is the beautiful view of our hotel dito sa Oakhurst, California. Now we're heading to Mariposa Grove.
Vehicle is taken only.
This is Mariposa Grove Welcome Plaza, where you can get all information about the park, purchase your souvenirs, and use clean restrooms. Mariposa Grove is a sequoia grove located near Wawona, California, in the southernmost part of Yosemite National Park. It is the largest grove of giant sequoias in the park, with several hundred mature examples of the tree. 2 of its trees are among the 30 largest giant sequoias in the world. We just found out that the road to Mariposa Grove is under construction and not open for any vehicles. The only access to Mariposa Grove is to hike 4 miles back and forth.
Ay, madam ha? Madam, ano masasabi mo sa ating pag-walk?
Maganda
Kaya pa ba?
ang view. Kaya pa.
Parking pa lang po ito ha. Maganda na raw, parking pa lang pero maganda na.
Let's start hiking as far as we can go.
Look at these beautiful trees. Oh my goodness.
Minsan ang winuwalk nila namin ni Rolando kasi hindi na rin ito lang naman.
While walking under these big trees, we're not even disappointed to the fact that we might not make it to the heart of Mariposa Grove. The trail is so refreshing and relaxing. Let's breathe the fresh, clean air from these big trees.
Okay, I'm gonna stop here now.
We are less than 0.8 mile to Mariposa Grove, and this is it. We will start heading back to the plaza.
Butas sa taas. Nakita mo sa taas? May speed pa. Kita mo, Tess.
Let's go back now to our hotel in Oakhurst, California. This is Kyoto Cafe restaurant next to our hotel. Since we don't want to waste the daylight, after dinner, let's see the sunset reflection from Bass Lake. Sunset Magazine named Bass Lake as one of the West's best lakes. Bass Lake is renowned for excellent fishing, hiking trails, and warm waters. With a full-service Pines Resort across the lake, wakeboarding and water sports, and outdoor adventure galore. Bass Lake is perfect destination with activities to please the whole family.
There you go.
Kita mo naman kasama naman siya.
Yeah.
Picturean mo na sila ate. Yung mga artista. Naninig na kami sa lamig.
The day won't be complete without having hot coffee before going to bed. Let's have it here at Chocansi Gold Resort and Casino, 15 minutes drive from our hotel.
Good morning. We're ready for today. Activity for today is Lager Steamboat Train Ride. Okay? Ito yung ating mga kasama for today. But before that, we're going to have a breakfast. Dito sa Best Western. Ayan. Okay, folks. You know what to do, right?
Yes, sir! Ating driver, si Mr. Oji. Oh my God!
Ayan na, ayan na.
Ay, God. San?
Breakfast is included if you stay at Best Western Plus Yosemite Gateway Inn. They serve a buffet American breakfast that you will enjoy.
Sausage. There you go.
Let's start our second day here at Yosemite Mountain Sugar Pine Railroad, where we're going to have a scenic train rides through the Sierra National Forest.
Okay, we're here now.
The Yosemite Mountain Sugar Pine Railroad is a fun-filled excursion for the entire family. Located only 10 minutes from the southern entrance of Yosemite National Park of Highway 41, the historic railroad offers train rides, food service, gold panning, logging museum, and the Kids Depot toy store.
Gold bunny. Hello. Good morning.
You can dip your hands into history and relive the excitement of the California gold rush when you pan the gold in their authentic sluice boxes.
Souvenirs here. The store.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Thornberry Museum.
The Thornberry Museum offers a rich look into the history of the Sugar Pine Railroad and the logging industry in Oakhurst and Yosemite, including artifacts and detailed stories. Our train ride is 11 a.m. We came 2 hours early today to have more time walking around and enjoy the place before the exciting ride. This is where they maintain and check the engine in the morning before using it.
This is the log chain.
The engine is now ready to pull the train. I purchased ticket online, and from here they will confirm your reservation and give you the wristband. This is Shane number 15, one of the engines of Sugar Pine Railroad. Shane number 15 was built by Lima Locomotive Works of Lima, Ohio in May of 1913 for the Sierra Nevada Wood and Lumber Company. In 1939, it was renumbered number 15 and continued service through 1961. The number 15 was used for various tourist operations in Tuolumne at the Old West Side site. It was purchased in 1986 by the Yosemite Mountain Sugar Pine Railroad.
Real quick, if anybody has anyone in their group who has not made it to the train, they're in the bathroom, anything like that, let us know now before we get started so we don't forget them. My name's Will. I'll be your conductor for this trip. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. We're going to go into the history of the Madera Sugar Pine Company while we travel through the Sierra National Forest.
Now let's ride into history where powerful locomotives once hauled massive log trains through the Sierra Mountains, where mighty lumberjacks felled the timber and plumes carried lumber to the distant valley below.
Bye, everybody! See you next year!
Morning, everybody! Up ahead on the left, you'll see a spur track with some old railroad equipment on it, including an oil tank car and a small green switching engine. All the equipment that we operate here, the exception of the diesel switchers, came from the West Side Lumber Company up to Traver, California, a city about 100 miles to the north of us on the other side, Yosemite. They ran a steam balance past our end of track. From there, they logged off an area of almost 30,000 acres.
Ate kami may araw na. Correct. May araw na rin kayo dyan. Pangit ang video.
Here in the infrastructure for the railroad, you'll notice everything has visual storm. For 7 hours, there was sustained winds ranging between 60 and 150 miles an hour, knocking over literally thousands of trees. Our track crew had to cut and ground 62 large trees and fall across the track in order for us to resume passenger service.
The Sierra National Forest, majestic woods provide the backdrop for this narrow gauge journey back in time.
Difference between ours and theirs being theirs burn wood, ours burn oil. The typical trip to 15 He'll go through about 50 gallons of fuel oil and about 500 gallons of water. She was built 1913 and weighs in at just
crossing here. See? Stop over. Very soon. So, this. Say hi. So there's a break over here. Yeah.
After 30 minutes of amazing sightseeing into the woods, we're taking a break in this beautiful park in the middle of the Sierra Mountain, while train engine is refilling water.
That.
Why am I so hungry right now?
Thank you.
I'm literally so hungry.
Bulaga.
Once again, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now, on the way down here, you guys started to be talking, aren't you? You're on one. On the way back, don't you?
Thank you for riding with us. And before leaving Sugar Pine Railroad, let's buy some souvenirs. On our next vlog, we will continue our journey to Yosemite National Park and join us to visit Glacier Point. Yosemite Valley, and Sequoia National Forest before heading back to Los Angeles.
Sequoia giant trees.
Please like and subscribe for more travel videos.